Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to fix no sound on the TikTok app. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you're having issues with the TikTok app here and it's not having or you don't hear any sounds from it, well, there are a few things that you may want to check. Now, the first thing that you may want to check here is you want to check your volumes here. So go and just press the volume up or down button. Just make sure that your volume is not muted here. Now, if you're sure that it's not muted here, and I'm assuming you already did that, well, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to open up the app. Now, when you first open up the app, typically you should see the X volume that you see at the bottom right of the screen. It means when you open up the app, it means it's muted. So by default, you could just basically press the volume up or down button to turn on the volume again. Now, if you click on the volume again at the bottom right here, that should also unmute the actual video. But then again, you don't want to have this, or you don't want to have to unmute every time. So you need to disable a specific setting in your TikTok account. So you want to go to your profile at the bottom right here, click on the 3-bar icon at the top right, and go and click on settings and privacy. Now go and just scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the option for playback. Let's go and access playback. Now from here, you want to disable the option that says open TikTok on mute. Let's go and disable that. Now from here, you could also change the option for auto volume adjustment here. So the video volume will be auto adjusted when you open up the app. You could also disable that just in case disabling the open TikTok on mute does not work for you. But in this case, you go and just start TikTok here and see if that actually solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.